Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here, let's tap on About Phone, scroll down and go to Backup and Restore. As you can see right here, we've got the Google Backup section, so just tap on Backup. And here tap on Next. Tap on Add Account and make sure again that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Enter your screen lock to confirm everything. And because I do not have my Google account added to the device, I have to do it right now. If you've got one, you will be just able to choose it from the list. So if you don't have one, you can of course create the account here or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so simply do it and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. Just mark the option. I'll pick this one, but of course you can pick both, and tap on Confirm. As you can see, we just successfully added our account, so we can tap on Other Device Data. And here we will have the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. You can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply come back to the previous page and tap on Backup Now. And now your device is backing up the data. Of course, you will have to confirm everything with your screen lock, so let me do it. And we have to simply wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.